Welcome back. My name's Victor Prasad. I'm a real estate broker here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral. And in today's video, we're covering preparation tips for full-time residents with a bonus tip at the end. So I've lived in Florida for 30 plus years now, and I've seen Hurricanes Andrew all the way past Hurricane Irma. And what I will tell you is that once you're properly prepared, these hurricanes become easier and easier and easier. And over the years, I figured out some items that are required to have and things that you don't need to waste your money on. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let me know in the comment section below if you're a full-time resident. What recommendations do you have for new residents in the area? Go ahead and leave that in the comments below. Shutters. Get some type of shutters. They could be manual, accordion, or roll down shutters. Here's some things to consider. Manual shutters, they are cheap but effective. The cons, you generally need someone to help you. Have somewhere to store the shutters and keep track of where the screws are when you go to put them up and take them down. On a first story home, manual shutters are great. However, on a two-story home, it's difficult holding the shutters in place, trying to line it up to screw it in. If possible, I would recommend the accordion shutter or the roll down shutters for a second story home. From a convenience standpoint, the roll down shutters are easy, and what makes them more convenient is that they come motorized with a remote. So all you have to do is literally press a button. The cons are they are expensive. The accordion shutter is simple. You just pull them together. The pros, it's purely mechanical and they work. The cons, they may not be visually appealing. So this next section that we're going to cover is a generator and the importance of a generator. So powering your home. If you're a full-time resident here in Florida, consider purchasing a portable generator. Aside from the generator, you will need a sub panel and a licensed electrician to have it installed. See what your electrical needs are by making a list of all the items you require during a power outage. Look up the model numbers either on the appliance or online using the model number. Add the wattage up and purchase the appropriate size for your needs. Here's some things to consider when purchasing a portable generator. Number one, what type of fuel you will run, meaning unleaded gas or propane. Pro tip, consider getting dual fuel generator. That way you have the option of gas or propane. Accessory items. Will you need gas cans, propane bottles, or will you have a in-ground propane installed? A quick note on that is to be sure to avoid energy intensive items. For example, anything with a heating coil, like a dishwasher, a toaster, an iron, anything that has coils in it that require a lot of wattage. Also, the more wattage you need, the more expensive the generator. If you're considering powering your AC unit, that takes up a lot of wattage. So I would consider getting a indoor AC unit. They have portable ones that are really nice from a form factor standpoint. But just as effective, that uses less wattage, would be a window unit. The window units are just as good, if not better. The goal is to make sure the carburetor doesn't get gummy with sitting fuel. This is the number one piece of advice that I can give you. Sometimes a generator is used once and then stored with its fuel, causing the carburetor to get gummy and stop working. Easy fix is to run your generator for 5 to 10 minutes a month and change the oil according to the owner's manual. Cooking. Consider what foods you will be cooking and what you will need to cook them. Here are some items that I recommend. Some of these items you may have already. A charcoal grill, propane stove. Be sure to have ample supply of propane and charcoal. Water. Right before a hurricane is coming, the first thing to be emptied off the shelf is water. If you're able to get the 5-gallon water-safe jugs, then get a 7 to 10 day supply of water. And remember, you need to drink roughly about half your body weight in ounces. Pro tip, fill up your bath, fill up your bucket, fill up pot, and anything that can hold water for non-potable needs. Quick reminders to check your first aid kit, batteries, flashlight, gas cans, propane tanks, charcoal, medication. Fill your car gas tank up, put your phone number on your pet's collar, baby needs as well. Bonus tip, download the NOAA app to track where the hurricane is at and give you updates It's a really good tool to have and not search around on the web. Here are my finishing thoughts. If you're in an area that's supposed to be evacuated, please evacuate. I've seen hurricanes Andrew through Irma, so what I'm saying is be prepared and be safe. Don't be that person last minute trying to get supplies once the news starts tracking landfall within 1 or 2 days away. If you need help with supplies, we have a great community and outreach programs. I encourage you to get familiar with your local nonprofits. In addition, if you find yourself oversupplied, consider donating to our local nonprofits. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.